Filed your return and now you're eagerly waiting for your refund. How you file and get paid can shave weeks off the wait time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The number one rule is to e-file and choose direct deposit. Paper returns can take 6 to 8 weeks. E-filing with direct deposit typically gets your refund in 21 days or less, often even faster. Next, file accurately and early. A return with errors gets flagged for manual review, causing huge delays. Filing before the mid-February rush also helps avoid processing backlogs at the IRS. My crucial pro tip: avoid refund advances or fee deductions from your refund. Opting for a refund transfer to pay your TurboTax fees, or taking a loan against your refund, adds middlemen and complexity. Pay your fees upfront with a card and send your entire refund straight to your bank account for the fastest possible timeline. A little planning leads to money in your pocket sooner. How do you usually spend your tax refund? Saving, investing, or treating yourself? Let me know. For more tips that put money in your hands faster, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.